In this video, we're discussing Other Journal Voucher. First, we'll navigate to the Account section and click on Other Journal Voucher. When the interface opens, we'll see the Other Journal Voucher Manage screen. To create a new Other Journal Voucher, click the Add New button. Then, you'll see a form with fields to fill out. At the top of the form, there's an input field for the date. You can change the date if needed. Another field is for the voucher number, which is automatically generated by the system and cannot be edited. Below that, there's a table where you'll fill in all the necessary information. First, select the account name. Then, select member and other types, then add particulars if necessary. This field is optional. After that, you'll need to specify whether it's a debit or credit entry for this account. Remember, in the double entry system, if you debit one account, you must credit another, and vice versa. Once you've added the debit amount, click the Add button. Then, you can add the corresponding credit amount by following the same process. Finally, click the Add button again to complete the entry. Similarly, we can add multiple entries in the same form. If you want to edit or delete an entry from the table, you can do so by using the Edit and Delete buttons provided in the Action column. Once you've added all the entries, click the Submit button. Then, a new tab will open with the Journal Voucher. After closing this tab, you'll be redirected back to the Journal Voucher Other Manage screen. Here, you'll see the entry you added in the table below. If you want to edit, delete, or view the voucher for any entry, you can do so using the icons provided in the Action column.